In this tutorial, you will learn to add detail to your descriptions by adding adverbs to your verbs. As you know, verbs are the action or doing words. The goalkeeper stood on his line. Messi placed the ball on the spot. The referee blew his whistle. But verbs only tell you what action is being performed. They don't tell you how that action is being done. The how is answered using adverbs. The goalkeeper nervously stood on his line. Messi confidently placed the ball on the spot. The referee loudly blew his whistle. Adding adverbs helps to set the scene. Look at how a change in adverb affects what you think might happen. The goalkeeper confidently stood on his line. Messi nervously placed the ball on the spot. The referee softly blew his whistle. Adverbs often end in ly. You can make an adverb by adding ly to an adjective. Softly, carelessly, neatly. But don't think all words ending in ly are adverbs. And do know that some adverbs don't end in ly. Adverbs are very flexible and do not have to go in front of the verb. Messi confidently placed the ball on the spot. Confidently, Messi placed the ball on the spot. Messi placed the ball confidently on the spot. Messi placed the ball on the spot confidently. As you can see, the position an adverb is placed in affects the rhythm and the sound of the sentence. Finally, a warning when it comes to using adverbs. Choose them wisely. Make sure you are not using redundant adverbs. Trevor shouted loudly for his mum. A shout, by definition, is loud, so the adverb is just stating the obvious. Avoid those adverbs that explain that someone was sprinting quickly, smiling happily, and whispering quietly. The adverb adds nothing new to the sentence in these examples. So, from now on, make sure that you give your reader a clearer picture of how the actions you have written are performed by using adverbs. And choose your adverbs carefully. Make sure they give your reader more information and don't just state the obvious.